I've got an order from table 3.
Oh, amazing. He wants the chef's special, duck à la plum. Now, this should be good.
Duck à la plum? Shouldn't it be duck à l'orange, Gordon?
This is my chef's special. Just leave it to me.
I'll go and tell him it's on its way.
And give him this glass of wine on the house. Problem, Gordon?
The oven won't light. The cooker is on the blink. Where did you get this piece of junk from?
I bought it second-hand. It was in good working condition.
Try pressing that button there.
What do you know about cookers, huh? Can't you see this is kaput, knackered? We're going to lose yet another customer now. I was really looking forward to cooking my duck à la plum.
Have you tried the gas connections?
Don't be ridiculous. I have worked in some of the world's top restaurants. I know when a cooker has packed up, and this one has completely had it.
Oh. I'll go and turn the ducks off, shall I?
No, wait a minute, Peter. If I just press this knob here... Right, now give that a try.
Well done, Mary.
So, we're cooking on gas then. I'll go and give the customer the good news. Mary, you're brilliant.